everyone, Hariharan. Last week we had good analysis. Okay, according to that, today I will explain what has happened last week, right? So, in this crude oil June contract, okay, so last week, before week, okay, so the date somebody is looking for new one. So, for that explanation, I am telling 10th trade performance we taken for analysis to uh, predict the movement for 5th June, sorry, 1st June to 5th June. Okay, so we done the analysis for this particular week. We done the analysis to trade for this 2nd June, 3rd June, 4th June, 5th June. Okay, so how this performance was happened. So I will explain now, right? So before going for this coming week analysis, we will see the performance about analysis for last week, right? So according to this week Fibonacci level analysis, we got the level. Actually, it is our level will be here. You can see, you can able to find here our level was okay. So price was stopped here, right? Price was stopped here. Okay, so according to this level 2535, okay, it is, I will show the level. Okay, it is 68 point level, right? Correct. Okay, so same case, golden, it is standing on that golden ratio level, right? So same way we are seeing now this level 78 level will be a good level for resistance. Okay, if this level is crossed, our price movement will start above, like that we have predicted. Okay, same case, this price has started moving slowly in the upward direction. Okay, same case, we have denoted that this is strong resistance for coming week, like that we said. Okay, 2634, same way the price movement was happened, and we predicted this level will be a first target for us, right? This level and this level will be our primary target. We said that according to that our prediction, you can find here the price is slowly moved and it is nearing to our 261 level now. Correct, this is 261 level now. 2019 is our 261 level. Okay, so more or less this price has moved and closed here, right? So in this case our prediction was started from here and ending to here. Okay, so here we can able to analyze ourselves is our prediction is perfectly is going on. Okay, same case, our cloud also it is moving in the correct direction. So in this case crude oil is in uptrend. Okay, according to this we will do analysis for coming week, right? I will explain now. Before going to analysis, okay, just for newcomers, okay, understanding about our channel. Okay, so just I am showing here, this is our indicator master and guider video channel. Okay, here many videos is available. You can, it is in many things is Tamil. Okay, now only I started English. So in this case many people requested to post in English, that's what I am started. Okay, but you can see the settings and the style of, so we can go for analysis. So this analysis I have drawn for Tamil preparations. Okay, so here I am consider the swing low is 2596. Okay, so same case swing high 2997 I have consider here. How I have selected swing high and swing high and swing low. So that is much important. Many people cannot understand now. So how this value is he has taken, that is will be a big doubt, right? Simple. I'm keeping this in. Okay, so candlestick mode. Okay, I will change the period to week time, 1 week time frame, right? Right. Okay, here some of the thing has come. You can find here, right? So drawings is abstracting, so don't worry, that is our drawing, right? Now the last candle is the performance. You can see the date of bottom, correct? So here here the candle is low. Here you can find the values. Okay, so that value is low I have taken. Okay, so 2596 is our low and high is 2997. You can find here. Okay, so you can see 2596 and 2997 is our last candle value. This is weekly candle value, right? So I have taken this swing low and swing high for the drawing purpose, right? Many people can understand now. Now I will change this to 30 minutes mode for drawing analysis. Okay, I have changed the time frame now. Okay, so same case, I have shown this yellow box here. That box you can find. Okay, now the box is not there. Okay, so that is a weekly performance box. Okay, in between the box only I have drawing the Fibonacci drawing. Okay, so this Fibonacci drawing, okay, you can see. I will delete that first because understanding I'm deleted. Okay, now I will draw in front of you. The price is why I have selected this in the sense. Okay, the price is moving in upward direction, correct? Right. So in this case your Fibonacci Fibonacci retracement, how to draw, that is much important. Okay, so I am doing here the drawing now. Select the here left hand side corner, select retracement, Fibonacci retracement. So our value is 2997. You keep the value 2997. Okay, it is nearby. Yeah. Okay, from this I am drawing and 2596 I am drawing, correct? 259497. Okay, nearer to that. Okay, fine. So now the Fibonacci drawing is ready now. Okay, so we need to understand that why this drawing is now it is important for analysis. Okay, so what in the stock market of overall trading, they knows very well. Okay, intraday if you are doing, they know very well the volume build up and the market demand, how it looks like that. Some strategy they are following it. Same strategy, the market how it is now reacting. According to that, our crude oil price also will react. Many industry has opened in the sense our demand of crude oil also will increase. Many vehicles movement is happening in the sense demand also will get increased. So according to our market, global market slowly improving. So in this case, demand also increasing, our price also increasing. That is the background of the concept. Okay, now the price movement is an upward trend, so next week also we can expect the price movement will be upward. Okay, so this upward we are telling where this destination place. Okay, that is much important, correct? So many people will think, so always trainer saying is upward direction, when it will start downward direction, when it will happen downward direction. So that's what the Fibonacci retracement is much important. Okay, the price now last week coming and stopping in this area, you can see here 9557, correct? So this price definitely if stand 99 2997. Okay, this price will definitely will go to this location. Okay, but this destination will be 3245. Okay, so otherwise if this area we will call as major resistance. Okay, this major resistance if breaks, the price will go and stop 3245. Okay, so again this price may come to bottom and stop here. Okay, if stop here, further if possibility of down, yes, is it, many people will, questions will come, definitely the possibilities are there. From this area this price will come and see this portion. Okay, which level, up to this which level will come, 1 minute. 2910. Okay, 2910 if we stand, then this golden ratio level in this Fibonacci, this area we will call it as golden ratio 61.8. Okay, so any prices definitely if start coming down here will come and stop. Okay, nobody cannot stop. Okay, this is the theory, right? So from this level if price is started moving downward direction, definitely this price will go to this level 2689. Okay, same case if price major resistance is broken upward direction, if major support is broken 2845, it is a selling zone. This zone we will call it as a selling zone, where this selling zones will start. From here the selling zone will start. I will clear the drawing again. I will show something to you. Okay, this area is selling zone area. Okay, this box you can find, correct? So 2970 below. Okay, so will be 2760. 2760 below, this area will be your selling zone area. Okay, you need to be very careful. Okay, here you cannot take the trade for buy, right? So same case you can consider these all the area up to this area is your buy zone level. The price is will come and react over there, it is in buy zone level. This zone level and all, how this will reacting. Okay, so like that some of the videos I'm having in my channel also. Okay, so same case I'm taking the training in our YouTube channel. Many videos, educational videos is available. Okay, you can take and choose and you can see and refer that details. Okay, so one more thing, important thing I'm like to share here. Okay, I'm conduct the training to all. Okay, so it is the training will be in a one-to-one online training will be there. It is charges will be minimum. Okay, you can get the details through my 1305702238. Okay, so you can cross check my indicator master and guide telegram number. Okay, some of the special days. Okay, not all the days. Many days I am sharing my levels. Okay, it is will be good level. Okay, so here the training will be Fibonacci drawing, how to draw, and Fibonacci important levels, and the entry and the exit, why we need to use, right? So next thing, super trend setting for crude oil. Okay, overall trading commodity sessions I will include this, and if they are doing equity, okay, nifty or bank nifty, whatever it is, according to that I will share the settings to you. Okay, super trend, how to trade. Okay, so that is much important. In normal super trend, if we keep on trading, that will be failure will be more. So with some of the conditions will be there. That condition I will explain to you. Special thing I am showing here, like Ichimoku Cloud, the importance to trade. Okay, so what is the importance of the trading using Ichimoku Cloud? That is also I will explain. So the success rate will be much more. Okay, so subscribe our channel. Okay, even if you are interested, please message me for your training details. Okay, I will share that. I will share the charges details also.